Follow these instructions for assembling your Step Caddy when you first unpack it. You will need your Step Caddy belt, the shoulder yoke, and the sternum strap. First, let's connect the back strap. Locate the G-hooks on the back strap of the yoke and the loops on the belt that are next to the stirrups. Feed the G-hook through the loop. To close the G-hook, squeeze and press close the metal window. Remember to do both sides. Now, let's connect the front straps. Locate the remaining loops on the belt. There are two open positions, position A and position B. Bring the G-hooks to the loop, being careful not to twist the strap. Feed the G-hook through the loop and close it, just as before. Remember to do both sides. Use position A to configure the straps to run down the front of your torso using the sternum strap. Use position B to configure the straps to run down the sides of your torso, with or without utilizing the sternum strap. Step Caddy. Pack a new perspective.